Frogs. The study of frogs is called batrachology, belonging to class Amphibian of phylum Chordata. The most common species of frog found in India is Rana tigrina. Frogs are cold-blooded or pyochilothermic, live both on land and in fresh water. Frogs changes its body color while they are in grasses and on dry land to hide from their enemies, camouflage. This protective coloration is called mimicry. To protect itself from the severe cold in winter and scorching heat in summer, frogs becomes inactive and enters into a state of dormancy, buries deep into the mud of the pond. A state of dormancy in winter is called hibernation and in summer called estivation. Morphology of frog. The skin of frog is smooth and slippery due to the presence of mucus. The color of the skin is generally olive green with dark irregular spots on dorsal surface, but on ventral surface the skin is pale yellow in color. Frogs never drink water, but absorbs it through the skin to fulfill the needs of the body. The body of frog consists of a head and trunk, but neck and tail are absent. Above the mouth, that is tip of the snout, bears a pair of external nostrils which open into internal nostrils. Eyes are bulged and covered by thin transparent nictitating membrane that protects them while in water. On either side of eyes, a membranous tympanum ear receives sound vibrations. The forelimbs and hind limbs help in swimming, walking, leaping and burrowing. The hind limbs are longer and stronger, ends in 5 digits. Forelimbs are shorter and weaker, that ends in 4 digits. Feet have webbed digits that help in swimming. Frog exhibits sexual dimorphism. Male frogs can be distinguished by the presence of sound-producing vocal sacs and also have copulatory pad on the first digit of the forelimbs, which are absent in female frog. Anatomy of frog. Organs present in the body cavity of frogs accommodate different organ systems such as digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous, excretory and reproductive system with well-developed structures and functions. Digestive system. The digestive system of frog mainly consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. The alimentary canal is short because frogs are carnivores and hence the length of intestine is reduced. The mouth opens into buccal cavity that leads to the oesophagus through pharynx. Oesophagus is a short tube that opens into the stomach, which in turn continues as the intestine, rectum and finally opens outside by the cloaca. Liver secretes bile that is stored in the gallbladder. Pancreas, a digestive gland, produces pancreatic juice containing digestive enzymes. Food is captured by the bilobed tongue. Digestion of food takes place by the action of HCl and gastric juices secreted from the walls of the stomach. Partially digested food called chyme is passed from stomach to the first part of the intestine, the duodenum. The duodenum receives bile from gallbladder and pancreatic juices from the pancreas through a common bile duct. Bile emulsifies fat and pancreatic juices digest carbohydrates and proteins, and final digestion takes place in the intestine. Digestive food is absorbed by the numerous finger-like folds in the inner wall of intestine called villi and microvilli. The undigested solid waste moves into the rectum and passes out through cloaca.